Assalamualaikum friends, hi! Here I want to explain a little solution or resolution related to juvenile delinquency. Before knowing how to overcome the problem of juvenile delinquency, you need to know what juvenile delinquency is. So, juvenile delinquency is the action of teenagers or teens that are contrary to public order, namely the values and norms recognized by society. In general, juvenile delinquency is characterized by two characteristics, namely a desire to fight and apathetic attitude, which is caused by a feeling of disappointment with the condition that occur in society. Teenage consistencies need to be addressed. How to overcome the problem of juvenile delinquency can be one, instill value and norms. Like teenagers are tree seeds, you have to water and fertilize them with good substances and the right portions. Then teenagers will become good and sturdy trees even though they are hit by storm of mischief in the environment in which they stand. 2. Tell them the impact of action they should avoid. Teenagers are prone to doing everything just because they want to know. By telling them about the bad impact of something, they will no longer be interested in that thing and they will tend to avoid that action. If necessary, if there are community figures who have experienced the impact of juvenile delinquency, invite teenagers to listen to what they have learned from this delinquency. However, you must always accompany the teenagers if they meet this community figure, because not all public figures are within conveying their life experience. If they are not with, instead of avoiding criminal acts, teenagers will feel attracted and challenged to do the same thing. 3. Maintain closeness with closeness. Teenagers will open up. They will tell everything to the older ones, especially parents. That way they will avoid the mischief they will do. 4. Provide a place for creativity. Provide a platform or means for them to channel their talents. If a teenager like music, then give him a musical instrument or let him join a music organization. If he likes fighting, then follow him into a martial arts based sport, with a note of instilling the belief that he can only fight if he is in the ring. This will work because in fact martial arts talents are never involved in fighting outside the ring. Talents are people who study self-defense, instill in themselves the belief that the soul not as what they have mastered to harm other people, especially those who do not know self-defense. 5. Take direct action. Applying direct action to the teenagers will have a hack effect. Teenagers should be punished according to the action they commit. So they won't do it again. This action will have an impact on other teenagers who have the same potential. Because they know the impact, they are reluctant to do it. That's all I can tell you. I hope you as full, and I always healthy for my friends. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video, guys. Okay, see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.